everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. I am so excited to finally get to share with you my faux braid, or I think they call it the pull-through braid. I call it a faux braid because it looks like a French braid, but it really isn't. So you're actually not braiding anything, it's like a series of ponytails. So you may have seen different variations of it on Pinterest or Instagram. So of course I got on there too and learned how to do it, and it is super simple. It looks complex, but it really isn't. So if you want to create like that fat braid, this is the do for you, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys today my variation, I'm sure it's everybody's variation, of the pull-through braid. So let's get started. So first things first, things that you're gonna need. You're going to need some little elastics. So I bought these thin ones at Kroger, super cheap. You can even use the little plastic, like rubber ones. It would look better because they would blend into the braid, but when I take those things out, I mean, I'm taking like half of my hair with me, so I opted out for these. You will also need some sort of clip. Where's my clip? Where's my clip? You also need a clip, okay? So this is the clip that I have. This is not the best clip for this do. I feel that the banana clips would work better, okay? Or the ones that are like so long like that. And then if you wanna go like super awesome, you can get some sort of texturing spray. So I actually use this Kenra Dry Volume Burst on the roots just to create some volume. It'll look really, really neat. I'm not going to use a comb, but if you wanted to create some sort of sleek look or even like a faux hawk, then using the comb and really getting all those kinks out would be best. But I'm just going to show you my simple way of doing it. So first things first, what we're going to do is make sure that our hair is brushed. So we're just going to brush our hair, okay? So then what you do is we are going to start by getting a section of hair, usually right here around the crown. So we're gonna, I use my fingers, okay? If you wanna be precise and use a comb, go for it, but I'm just gonna use my fingers. So I'm gonna do this and get this section of hair, okay? Told you to brush your hair. Okay. So this is what we got going. And then we're going to use our first elastic. If I cough, I'm sorry. I'm feeling a little sick. But I promised some of you guys that I would do this, so here you go. Alright, and then you can pull it through to create some volume. Something like that. I don't like to do this because I have a long face and I feel like it just elongates it more. But anyways. But it looks good with the braid. Then we're going to continue, we're going to get another section of hair. This one is usually where my eyes are. And I'm going to get that section. You can pull the first pony out of your face like that. And then get your pony. And get this section like this. Alright. Then we're going to take another strand. Have that section. And voila! That's what we have, okay? So we got our two ponies. And then what you gotta do is for that first pony, you're gonna split it just like that, okay? I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see it. So I got these two ponies and I'm gonna do this, and then this is what that name comes through, is the pull through. So you pull it through. And then you'll use your clip to clip it here. Okay. So now I got these two strands just hanging out like that. Then I'm going to get another section of hair. Go straight across. just like that. Then you can let go of this section, flip it back, and then you're going to split the top one again, like that. And then pull through this. Again, flip it. Get out of your way, and then you have these two strands. And we're going to continue. Okay, I'm going to let go of that section. Pull through. This will be like a super simple braid to do on your little girls. I've done it on Olivia, and it's like super easy. You get it done, and it's super cute. So I'm gonna keep going. Where's my section right here? Oh no, I'm running out. Let's just get the rest of it. Okay, put that part down. Okay, and then we're going to do a last one like this. Put it under, but we're going to grab the whole section about 2 inches from the last pony that you did. Okay, so then this is what you're left with, okay? And then here's the fun part. So this is where you get as crazy as you want to get. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start pulling. So from the side, pull. Don't pull too much. You can always, it's easier to keep pulling out than if you pull too much. It's near impossible to get hair back in. So gently, little by little, pull it out to your liking, okay? There you go. Super simple. This is like your little go-to faux braid. Yeah? Okay. So, again, if you're looking for something super simple to do, doesn't require a lot of technique, this is the one for you, okay? Really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and again, if you want more content like this, subscribe at the button below or head over to lunaisabella.com and subscribe to my blog. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a nice weekend. Bye-bye.